Nature survival tactics. Let's understand the animal camouflage. This amazing ability of hiding is called camouflage. Camouflage is a special adaptation that helps animals hide from predators or sneak up on prey. By blending it with the environment, animals increase their chances of survival. For example, chameleons can change their skin color to match their surroundings. This helps them stay hidden and communicate. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes that blend into tall grass, making them hard to see while running. Some animals use seasonal camouflage. The Arctic fox has brown fur in summer but turns white in winter to blend in with snow. Others, like stick insect, looks almost like twigs or leaves. Camouflage is not only about color. It can also involve patterns, shapes, and behavior, such as staying still to avoid being noticed. In conclusion, camouflage is nature's clever way of protecting animals and helping them survive in the wild.